Yeah, 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 yeah. I ain't wasting the finna tonight. I'm finna show you how to hit the quad, hit the quad, hit the quad, hit the quad. I said get down low and swing your arm. I said get down low and hit the quad. I'm finna show you how to hit the quad, hit the quad, hit the quad, hit the quad. I said get down low and swing your arm. I said clean pair of sneaks with a designer belt. Please watch your step, cause I'm feeling myself. Throw a flag on the plate, man, somebody get the ref. Blah, 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 blah. Man, somebody get some help. Pull up on the block. Hit the quad, hit the quad, hit the quad, hit the quad. I said get down low and swing your arm. I said get down low and hit the quad. I'm finna show you how to hit the quad, hit the quad, hit the quad, hit the quad. I said get down low and swing your arm. Now y'all made me so.
Arise, take your place, be enthroned on our praise. Arise, King of Kings, Holy God, as we sing.
What's up all of you? And this is your Denver Ninong Caso once again. Welcome to Ninong TV, your live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscribers. And today is a special video vlog na nadi-discover natin dito sa ating Ninong TV. Especially sa ating mga tatay, kaway-kaway, sa mga lolo, even lolas, and even our parents, and even si ate at si kuya. Kasama natin very special tapang natin video vlog for our researcher, for our millennials, mga Gen Z, mga students na hindi man to tinakot at tinakot man, congratulations. Pero sa mga ngayon palang umusbog ang kanilang mga brain cells, no? At nakakanood ng mga special action film. So, sino ba yung mga napapanood natin ating action film nowadays? Sila Tangoy, sila Ruro Madrid, sila Alden, etc. etc. Pero how about yung mga kapanahunan ng mga OG dads natin o ng ating mga grandpa na talagang main foundation ng mga pagiging action star? Kagaya ng pinong nyo naka-jacket ngayon, we will have a very special video vlog collection of discovering the boy of Philippine movie. Si The Boy. Kilala nyo na yung tinutukoy ko. So, meron tayong The Girl, Tito Boy, Mr. Boy, Lolo Boy, etc. Kung ano mang boy yan. Ito si The Boy. And we will have the title of our vlog for today is Rudy Got Hit the Quad. Studying Rudy Fernandez Life and Legacy with Ninong's Meet Up. Wow! Amazing. Nagkita pala kami ni Rudy.
Rudy, tayo na lang magpapatakbo ng aeroplano ni Kuya.
Lodi Ako Marunong.
Ay, ng Rudy yan. Sa 2012, ang kami tinutukay niya. Rudy Fernandez and Ninong's Meet Up. Wow! That's very nice. True Grape Edition. So, once again, the title of our vlog is Rudy Got Hit the Quad, Studying Rudy Fernandez Life and Legacy with Ninong's Meet Up with Rudy Fernandez True Grape Editions. Okay, so because I just remember way back 2023 of December, kami ng daddy ko is pumunta sa Taguig in the Memorial while we discover Henry C. and other celebrities there. Nandun din po ang inyong Tito Rudy. Diba? Si Rudy at si Henry C. malapit din sa isa't isa. Okay? So, first of all, konting bitin muna. Siyempre, bago tayo pumunta sa exciting part, kailangan muna nating ma-discover who is Mr. Rudy. Especially sa ating mga Gen Z na nag-aaral, searching for the celebrity and for the lifestyle of Mr. Rudy. Diba? As part of our education and entertainment vlog show dito sa ating Ninong TV. So first of all, Rudy Fernandez or Rodolfo Valentino Padilla Fernandez, born in March 3, 1952 and died in June 7, 2008. Better known as Rudy Fernandez or The Boy, was a Filipino actor and producer. He came to prominence as an action star in Philippine cinema during the 1980s up to the early 1990s. He made his film debut at the age of 3. Wow! Akalain nyo yun, no? 3 years old pa lang siya, action filming na. Wow! Diba? Baby action star ang datingan nito ni Rudy. At tayo ng mga baby girl out natin. Gatas, laruan, and then we're wearing diapers pa. Pero eto, Rudy, nakipagbakbakan na at the age of 3. Wow! Grabe. Kasi kasama niya yung papa niya dito. Appearing in Luksang, Tagumpay in 1956. Wow! Which was directed by his father. He also appeared in another film of his father's, Emily, in 1960. So, bata na siya nito, pero still baby pa rin. Diba? So, how amazing. At the age of 3, ikaw gumagawa ka na ng pelikula, no? Ako nga, ilang taon lang ba ako My goodness. Okay. So, this is a great learning sa take note. 3 years old pa lang si Mr. Rudy. Gumagawa na siya ng mga film legacy niya. Diba? So, for the first slide, we will discover his legacy of making film, his services as an actor, only here at our special city.
KB1 to KB3. Nasusukol kami.
Paano nga ba magluto, Ling?
Problema mo na yun, Ling. No?
Oo, Ling. Tama ka. Problema ko na nga.
Sige.
Kaya pa matulog.
Oh, ba't yung matulog ka na? Masama sa bata ang nagpupe. Baka hindi ka lumaki niyan.
Nanonood lang kayo. Hindi ka manonood ng gano'n ito. Alam mo, wholesome kami dito. Wag kang ganyan na. Hindi ka na, matulog ka na.
Tulog.
Okay, you've just discovered about Rudy Fernandez, his film, his action series, and his activities as an action star, role model, diba? And even being a parent, being a dad. So, Mr. Rudy, presented yan ng ating special slide by Roy Conise. Kung mapapansin nyo, may mga special effect yung ating mga picture, yung ating mga slide. We want to congratulate, this is my dear cousin, Roy Conise, sa kanyang ginawang mga picture effect. And this 2025, Roy is our new Vice President for Vlog Supports and Editing Management and Business Advisor. So, Mr. Roy, our new VP of the NPD is 2025 na aking ginahire, and I get him as he's also making video vlogs, and I got a partnership with him sa kanyang talent na gumawa ng mga ganitong klaseng programa at makakatulong din para mag-improve ang ating Ninong TV. So, thank you very much, Roy, my cousin. So, for the next slide, ito ang bilis ng pagkakataon. So, after nyo ma-discover yung mga action series ni Mr. Rudy Fernandez, ma-discover nyo naman dito ang Ninong and Rudy Meets. Yun. Okay. That was a great slide na ating ma-discover. So, for the next slide, get ready, yourself, your parent, your uncle, no? At kayo magkwentuhan about dito. Kasi, you know, when the first time I met Ruby, si Daddy, kasama doon. Of course, paano ko makapunta doon na mag-isa? Baka matakot ako niya. Then, just anything, for that kasi, syempre, mas marami siyang idea and film title kaysa sa akin. Okay. At alam ko ang inyong mga grandparents, ang inyong mga parents, magkakaroon din ng mga idea on the slide that we will present. So, you will check it out.
The day where the two action man will collab and to see each other. The Action Man. And the Action Vlogger. For a very special moment, Ninong and Duboy will meet.
What's up again? This is your Ninong at kasama ko po kayo si Mr. Rudy Fernandez. It's my deep appreciation to see the action, the great celebrity of all time. Pagdating sa action, Mr. Rudy Fernandez. Kasama na po ng Ninong. Ito po siya wearing strong and yung kanyang Marmol edition. So, kita ba sa glass? Lapit naman. Malinaw. Okay, so, kaya po yan. O, tingnan po, talagang guwapings talaga. Naka-baril-baril pa talaga si Rudy Fernandez.
Wow, style.
Yes. So, some of the film na
napapanood ko sa kanya is unang-una yung Markang Bungo. And then, yung film niya, yung ano, Diskarte. And then, Huli Ko. That is some of the film na gusto kong panoorin kay Mr. Rudy Fernandez. Dito pala kayo. So, that's the one na pinapanood ko, and I discovered his great action film of making film. And he's also a great father and grandfather. And kung naalala nyo, yung una kong OOTD, yung naka-formal attire ako, siya yung una kong ginayang OOTD na nakapula akong long sleeve, I wear the black Americana. Tapos dinrawingan ko na lang ng bigote yung aking dito. So that time, it's also a way of tribute na rin to Mr. Rudy. So, very happy to see you.
Okay, just discover Ninong and Rudy. Wow, that was so fantastic, no? Nakaka-feel blessed, syempre. As an actor, kahit naman nakakahon na, syempre sa loob nun siya yun. And then, a great discovery na na-discover ko doon, yung kanyang himlaya, hindi lang literal na himlaya, but it's also made from a real house, di ba? The second floor pa, may aircon pa. Wow naman, no? Sana all sige doon. Oo, literally. You can visit him free sa Taguig, in the Memorial Taguig. And that is a free entrance. So wala namang kung bayad yan. Basta quiet lang kayo. Huwag kayong maingay, huwag magulo. You can pay respect and to see Mr. Rudy. That was Monday to Friday. I'm scheduling on every day from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So just contact your friends kung meron kayong kakilala dyan sa Taguig, and then you may visit Mr. Rudy free, diba? So, pero doon nga lang sa area, hindi tayo pwedeng pumasok sa mismo loob. You can see him still in the clear glass, and then you can have a picture video with him. So mapipil niyo pa rin yung site ni Mr. Rudy, kasi sa likod nun kasama niyo siya, kasi that is a privacy part of the Fernandez family exclusively. Yan ay safe na safe for their father's safety. Okay, so after we meet Rudy, no, talagang nakaka-excite yung moment na yan. At talagang kita niyo naman si Daddy. Mas maraming idea talaga kaysa sa akin, no? Oo naman, kasi kailan lang ba ako pinanganak? And then my dad is, when he was young, na-discover niya na lahat ng mga action star. And then list to si Rudy. Mas kabisado niya yung mga film title na meron siya. Ang alam ko lang na title ni Rudy, yung pinaka-favorite ko siguro yung Markang Bungo Part 2, kasi grabe yung action doon. Tapos yung Hula Ko, yung talagang lumilipad-lipad siya doon. Oo, nag-expedition pa nga siya doon. Oo. And then, ayun, in the film of a Diskarte, that's he died. Para siyang nagsiswim sa bay. Oo, diba? Sa bay, boom, patis. Diba? And then, the Sharon Cuneta ng Rudy Fernandez film, Kung Kailangan Mo Ako, is a love story and action film that you will discover. And then, I think meron pa yung isa, the part 1 of Markang Bungo, and then, basta yun na yun. Okay. Meron pa yung isa yung kay, yung kasama si Claudine Barreto na basta marami akong film na napakon sa kanya, pero hindi pa ganoon ka-fresh yung aking title. But so far, I'm happy to meet and to discover Mr. Rudy, kasi noon nagdi-dream din ako na makita siya, even though he's already in the box. I'm dreaming to visit his earth, yung grave. And is action. For me, naging idol ko to kasi aside basically sa kanyang action style, he is very action. Is flying. Sabi ko nga, lumilipad tong action stunt na to. So yung mga stunt niya, and then the wearing of jacket, and then yung tindig niya, talagang pang-action talaga, lalo na yung bigote niya. Meron niya ako nasabi on the vlog that when I visit him, I remember my first OOTD na aking sinuot nung ako'y naka-formal attire. Nakapula, tapos may kurbata na ito. And then Americano. So it's just like I'm Rudy Fernandez. So I do the selfie for that, and then dinrawing ko na lang ng bigote yung dito ko ba. So that I look Rudy. Yan. That you are seeing on my FB memory. That was 6 years ago. On my first OOTD, kasi noon sa school namin, every Friday, pinagsusot kami ng mga formal attire. So parang pinapractice yung aming strand in business world, dapat nakasuot ka ng ganito. So, when I first wear that kind of cloth, para akong naging mukhang Rudy sa natin. I portrait yung kanyang OOTD looks for that na action scene. And then, he's also a father. Yeah, basically, lahat naman ang action star na kilala natin, mga dati. And also a grandfather, and also a kind and multitasking. So, ayun yung aking portrayal na na-discover ko in supporting and idolizing this kind of action star, Mr. Rudy. Tsaka yung dating niya talagang kasi nagdadala yung jacket niya, tsaka yung bigote. So parang pag makita mo yung ganyan dating, action star mo, parang okay, parang artista. So marami ngayon talaga sa ating present year, if somebody see this kind of person, wow, Balbacer, wow, nakapolo, diba? So maisip natin, daddy, action star, is a businessman, pwede rin, or basically, Rudy, diba? Okay, for the next episode, na-discover na po natin ang kanyang buhay, and of course, his background, and with your ninong, diba? It's an opportunity na ma-discover po ang Tito Rudy natin. Ngayon naman, ma-discover natin ang CSR ni Rudy and the family. So, syempre naman, being an actor is a great blessing from the Lord and Jesus. So, let's also bless and help others sa ating pumunting kasangkapan kung paano tayo makakatulong at makapagbigay serbisyo sa mga nangailangan. It can be people, it can be material, or especially help, basta tayo ay makapaglingkod sa bayan. So, we will discover the CSR and the best of Rudy Fernandez family picture. Check it.
Diyos ang sandigan, MC
Okay, thank you for watching and God bless to all of us. At dito pa nagtatapos ang ating special vlog from Ninong TV and co-presented by Roy Conice, the video blogger, and our BP and Lolo Kong and Mamos video vloggers. This is again the video vlog that we presented for the Got Hit That One, studying Rudy Fernandez life and legacy with Ninong's meet up with Rudy Fernandez through Great Edition. So maraming salamat po sa mga nanood. You may subscribe, watch this video vlog, share to your friends, share to your daddy, or kung talagang mas maganda yung quality, you download it and pay me for only 150 and 80 pesos for screen record and present this on school, on your uncles, in your dad, on your lolo, so that yung discoveries nyo kay Rudy, diba, dumami. Not only this video vlog, but I know your grandparents, your parents, mas maraming alam tungkol dito kay Rudy. Okay, so this is the moment that we will end, and we want to thank everybody sa special production na ating natunghayan. But before I end, ayun, kung hindi nyo pa rin ma-discover or hindi nyo talaga gano'ng ma-familiarize etong si Rudy, we will have is yung kanyang apo. Ito, pang Gen Z ba? Kilala nyo na to. Ang kanyang apo na si Gray Fernandez. So, ito yung unang apo ni Rudy na isa na rin actor at napaparod niya sa mga pelikula and sa teleserye. At kamukhang-kamukha niya rin nung 1960s to 70s. So, Ray Fernandez is the grandson of Rudy Fernandez. At kung naging classmates nyo to, naging kapitbahay nyo, abay, kaway-kaway, shout out na dito. Diba? Click-click na kayo sa ating comment box. Diba? Sana all that was a good opportunity. No? You become classmate or a friend of that person na apo ni Mr. Rudy. And of course, ito, kilala ng mga daddy natin. Si Mark Anthony Fernandez. Ayan. Ayan, ang kanyang anak. Meron pa yung dalawang lalaki. I don't know yung huli. But I know the second, si Renz Fernandez. So anything that Ninong did know about Rudy, you can comment below in the box so that I can review his movies, title, mga anak niya, diba? Kung na yung mga issue about sa mga misis niya. Okay. At sis na yun. Okay, mag-focus na lang tayo sa ano niya, sa buhay niya. Okay. May ma-issue pa tayo yan. Okay. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga manonood. Naway nag-enjoy kayo at nakapagbigay ako ng simpleng kasiyahan, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga parents, sa ating mga grandparents na kinalakihan itong programa ni Mr. Rudy Fernandez. And even though he's a super far from beyond, he's a supreme far from beyond, ako napakarami ng far from beyond ang kanyang pagkawala, and hindi pa rin natin nakakalimutan yung kanyang legacy. Diba? Especially sa Fernandez family, that is their dad, the grandparent. Thank you, and subscribe to Ninong TV. At ito, meron lang akong pahabol shoutout. I just wanted to send prayers and to all of my subscribers, ipag-pray niyo po itong mga nangyari sa ating mundo. Something happened to the celebrity. Ito, nakasama na rin ito ni Rudy, and I know magkasama na rin sila ngayon. Baka may film na rin sila in heaven for this one. Pero this is something sad kasi we are sad to say to have another celebrity na nagbabay, si Miss Gloria Romero, no? So let's send prayers and commemorate sa kanyang legacy. Si Tita Gloria ay nagbabay na sa ating Philippine movie, and of course dito sa ibang bansa sa nangyayari ngayong Las Vegas fire, no? Yung sunog sa forest at napunta sa mga bahay-bahay. So let's pray for this one. We send our deepest condolences and prayers for the affected family, especially mga OFW natin ay ipag-pray din natin na sana safe na safe sila. Diba? So, the Ninong TV and the family sending prayers and condolences for Miss Gloria at sa mga family affected dito sa sunog ng malawakang wild forest fire sa Las Vegas and of course in the California. Okay, so we are sending our deepest prayers and condolences. So thank you once again. This is your Ninong TV with your Denver Castro. Maraming salamat po. Subscribe and watch Ninong TV and watch more of our educational and entertainment video. Goodbye, thank you.